Want to come over? No one's home. Be there in a few minutes. Okay, I'm here. Where are you? I told you no one is home. Hey, I can't sleep. I can. Good night. What's your biggest fear? Being forgotten? Dang, that's deep. Mine is this fish. Why does he look so disappointed in me? Please don't text me anymore. Hey, hello. Are you single? No, I'm plural. I mean, like, are you free this Friday? No, I'm expensive. Hey, message me back when you can. I have a boyfriend. Congratulations. Which part of the PowerPoint should I do? I am here for you. Thanks. I'm going through a tough time, so it means a lot. And sorry, I lost all my contacts. Who is this? This is your Uber driver, and I am here to pick you up. Dad, am I adopted? No, why would I pick you? What does IDK, LY, and TTYL mean? I don't know. Love you. Talk to you later. Okay, I'll ask your sister.